My brothers and sisters, many times we feel abandoned. We think no one understands us. We sit in silence, feeling broken, thinking nobody sees the tears we cry behind closed doors. But the truth is, you were never alone. Not for a single moment. Even when the world walked away, Allah stayed with you. Even when your heart whispered in pain, Allah heard it before you spoke. His mercy surrounded you, even when you didn't feel it. You see, Allah is closer than anyone, closer than your thoughts, closer than your own breath. He doesn't leave you when you fall. In fact, He comes closer. So don't ever say, I'm alone. Say instead, Allah is with me, because His presence brings peace, even in the storm. My beloved sisters, sometimes you have to reach the lowest point in your life before you can truly rise. When she hit rock bottom, it felt like everything was over. The pain, the betrayal, the loss, the silence. But what she didn't realize was that Allah was not punishing her. He was preparing her. Rock bottom wasn't the end. It was the place where she finally let go of this world and turned fully to her Rabb. That moment when she thought she had nothing left was the moment Allah gave her everything she truly needed: strength, faith, and a heart full of purpose. You see, the lowest point in your life might just be the place where your biggest transformation begins. Don't fear the fall. Sometimes that fall is what brings you straight into the arms of Allah. My dear sisters, sometimes the world will turn its back on you. People stop calling. Friends walk away. Even family may lose patience. But that doesn't define your worth. Because while the world gives up, Allah never does. His mercy is not like theirs. He waits patiently for you to come back.